Hello guys, good morning. Good morning to all watching this vlog. It's my day 3 here in Orlando, Florida. And today's goal is just to go lawlaw. Oh, go, ano yung tawag doon? Magliwaliw. Not lawlaw, magliwaliw. Magliwaliw sa Universal Studio, Florida. Actually, gusto ko lang pumunta saka makita yung Harry Potter na tower, yung Gringotts Bank dun sa Universal Studio. So, yun. So, exciting. It's gonna be an exciting day. Samahan niyo ako, guys. So, mag-breakfast lang muna ako. Hello, guys. So, it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Naglakad ako ulit mula sa hostel ko hanggang sa bus station dito sa Florida Mall. Fortunately, it's so cold. Actually, hindi siya cold pero hindi siya ganun kainit. Pero may lamig pa na malamig pa sa umaga. Hindi pa siya ganun kainit. Kaya very perfect siya for walking. And at the same time, nakaka-lose tayo ng calories. So it's a good thing, di ba? And it saves us money. Because guess how much lang ang bayad kapag ka nag-bus. Kapag ka nag-bus ka, ang bayad is only $3. Compared kapag ka nag-Uber ka, which is gonna cost you $16 US dollars, or in peso, mga 600 pesos. Not bad. I'm early as usual. I think I'm 10 minutes early. And like I've said, kaya nang sabi ko, I'm so excited for this day kasi gusto ko makita yung Gringotts Bank sa Universal Studio. The ticket costed me about $200 Canadian, so $150 US dollar. And syempre yung pagkain natin for the day. So pero I don't think we'll spend that much other than food, and if you can find something, you know, nice siya, maya na lang. Ganito yung tsura ng bus nila dito.
For a hurricane, Lynx will discontinue transit service when sustained winds reach 35 miles per hour. Please plan your travel accordingly.
Grabe ang baba ng mga bagay dito. Okay guys, so nakababa na tayo ng bus at binaba tayo ni Kuya dito sa parang malaking parking station nila. So we just need to walk up in the stairs to get to that side, I believe. So akit na tayo. Grabe, ang daming tao. So pasok tayo. Okay, so nakapasok na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa Universal Boardwalk. So naglalakad na tayo. Medyo mahaba ang mahaba ang vocalator. At nakikita ko na ang mga shops. Grabe, ang daming tao. OMG! It's here! I'm so excited! Oh wow! Meron na ako agad na nakita dito. Parang maliit na golf course. Mini golf course. Yes! Andito na tayo. Nubo pa ako. Welcome! Universal Studio! Woohoo! Ito na! Ito na, totoo na to. Nakikita ko na ang Baba Gump Universal Studio. So, pang-apat na beses ko na sa Universal Studio. 2 times in Singapore, 1 in LA, 1 here. So, 4th time. Probably my last. Kasi it's too crowded. Pero yan. Nice. So meron pala silang tatlong park dito sa Universal Studio. It's gonna be for next year, 2025. So meron silang Island of Adventures. The Epic Universe is yung bago next year. And then doon tayo sa Hollywood Studios. Oh wow! Grabe! Grabe, ang ganda! So yan. Yun yung Epic Center. May preview sila. Kasi yan, nasa gitna ako. And then may mga store sila. Pero pasok muna tayo sa loob. Kasi it's 9 AM. Para ma-beat natin yung crowd. I mean, it's the first few minutes here. Pero marami ng tao agad. So can't really beat the crowd. Oh, meron na rin silang mga merchandise sa One Piece. Grabe, sobrang sikat ng One Piece. Hanggang dito, maabot. So, that's the Universal Studio. That's where I want to go. On the left side here, yun yung Islands of Adventure. And then, di ko alam kung saan yung water park. Siguro you have to take bus from here. Yun yung famous na globe. Oh, sila... Ay, po. What should we? Trebo. The famous Universal Studio. Then, grabe, naiiyak ako sa ano. Naiiyak ako sa team song. OMG. This is a dream come true for me. Nakapunta na ako dito sa ibang Universal Studio, pero I'm guessing this is one of the biggest, or probably the biggest. Let's go inside. Yun guys, nakapasok na tayo. Kala ko di ako papapasukin kasi online ko binili yung ticket ko. But buti na lang nakapasok tayo, no? Success. OMG. So, ang pinakauna kong gustong puntahan ay yung Dragon. Panoorin natin kung paano sila bumagsak. OMG, ang taas. Feeling ko di ko masasakyan ng hindi ako matatay. Oh! Oh wow! Woo! Grabe si ate sa migaw. Okay, so nasa na yung Dragon. Dapat may map sila eh. Wala silang map Medyo konti pa yung tao pero mamaya yan for sure. Sobrang puno na sobrang puno na dito. Guys, nasa na ako, New York Public Library na ako, guys. Ang bilis ko naman makapunta sa New York. Nasa New York agad ako. Nasa Orlando lang ako kanina. Torture Fair. The old Torture Fair. Oh, mami. Oh, maganda dito. Sumakay tayo dito. The mami. Sakay tayo dito. Let's see guys if single riders is faster. Pero Revenge of the Mami to guys eh. Alam ko maganda to eh. Masaya to, masaya. Tingin ko mabilis lang to kasi single rider ako eh. Malapit na pala ako sa linya. Mabilis lang yung pila, wala pang 10 minutes. OMG, grabe. Parang lumabas yung kaluluwa ko doon ah. Ang lakas na sigaw ko sa loob. Ano siya eh, yung ride na yan, ano siya, para siya roller coaster. Roller coaster. Pero madilim. Kaya, tas bigla na lang siyang bababa. Akyat baba. Ang lakas na sigaw ko sa loob, sabi ko. Putang ina. My God. Yun ang itsura natin guys. Seryoso. Guys, nandito na tayo sa San Francisco guys. Oh, San Francisco na to guys oh. Kabilis ko naman sa San Francisco. Guys, naglalakad lang ako tas ngayon nasaan na ako. I'm in the UK, King's Cross. I wonder, first depart. Totoo ba to? Oh, record shot. Oh, nasa Leicester Square na ako, Leicester Station. Welcome mate, I'm in the UK. How are you mate? Pasok tayo dito. Anong meron dito? Departures, what's in here? So yung pinasukan ko, connected pala yun sa kabilang park, Island of Adventure. So dun mo siya, makikita mo dun yung Bisaya. Makikita mo dun yung train which is available lang sa Island of Adventure. So dahil isang park lang tayo at mabilis tayo mahilo, dito lang tayo sa isang park. Anyway, ang ganda rin naman yung makikita mo dito. Mga nandito yung, ayun no, yung Harry Potter, and then meron silang yung night bus in the Harry Potter movie. Meron silang meet and greet. They have the fountain. Ayan o. Pwede silang pumila doon. This is the view from the other side of the park. So nandito yung Krusty Land. And tingin ko meron silang Universal Studio. So guys, sakay muna tayo sa Men in Black. Hindi ko pa ito natatry. So let's try this ride first. So pasok tayo sa MIB, Men in Black. Sarap sa loob, ang lamig. Agent M. Ang haba. You make sure you clean up the mess here and there, okay? Make sure you go back to your planet, alright? Grabe, ang bilis ko. Ang bilis.
Emergency. Training sequence aborted.
Hold your fire! A shipment of alien bad guys has crash landed smack dab in the middle of Manhattan.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill.
Whoa. Grabe, nahilo ako doon. Pero pambata siya. Ang rating ko, siguro sa bata, mga 10 out of 10. Mga 5 sa bata. Let's go to the next stop. So apparently, pag kumatok ka dito, may posible na may lumabas din sa window. So tingnan natin kung lalabas yan. So isa-isa sila kumakatok. Kanina may lumabas eh. Try it. Go ahead, try it. Ayun. OMG, may lumabas. Try natin pumasok dito, baka nandito yung dragon. Oh. Oo nga, nandito. Nakatago pala. Wow. Harry Potter Land. Oh, wow. You're a wizard, Margo. Ito na, nandito na tayo sa loob. Ito talaga ang pinakagusto kong puntahan dito eh. Ayun! Wow! Yan ang pinakagusto ko makita. Maliit lang pala siya sa in-person. Yan, maliit na siya in-person. Pero ang cute niya kasi may mga store siya sa gilid. Diba? Pero maliit lang siya in-person. Ayun yung dragon, no? Kasi ayun yung Gringotts back. Hintayin natin yung apoy. Mabilisan naman. Yan, pwede na tayong umuwi. Nakita na natin ang Gringotts Bank. Very magical. Meron sila mga shops. Pasok tayo dito kung anong makikita natin. Lots of merchandise. Oh, may mga unicorn sila. Unicorn. Cute. Ang cute naman ito. Magkano to? This is... There's no price. Bakit walang presyo? Oo nga, no? Ang mga store sa loob. Oh! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Nocturne Alley. So, ito yung counterpart ng famous na Diagon Alley. So, dun sa merong scene dun sa Harry Potter na gumagamit sila ng glue powder to get into the Diagon Alley. Tapos si Harry Potter nagkamali siya ng pagkabigkas. Dito siya napunta sa Nocturne Alley. So, ito yung tindahan sa mga dark witches and wizards. Ayan. Meron din silang stores dito for duck. For... Oh. Ayun si ate. Tinuturuan niya mag-magic yung anak niya. Oh! Galing. Biglang lumabas yung tubig sa payong. Galing. So, try natin tong ride na to. Ang cute. So, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Gringotts. So again, nasa single riders tayo. Medyo mabilis pag single rider. Kasi halos wala ang pila eh. Kaya exciting pag single rider ka. Kasi minsan, less crowd, you know, and mas mabilis yung pila.
Medical sensitivity to fog or strobe effects.
Alright. Nandito na tayo sa merchandise store na after ng ride. So tingnan natin isa-isa. This is $28. Actually, ang ganda ng mga ano niya, mga display niya. You know? Hogwarts Explained Metal Earth Premium. Oh, it's a train kit. Ito naman ay cards. $8. Grabe, $8. Yung libro. Oh, ang ganda ng libro niya. Oh. Ang ganda ng libro. Kapal. Goblet of Fire. Para siyang illustrated. This one's illustrated. Ang cute nito, Monster of Book. The Book of Monster. Pero diary siya. Wow. This is the famous observatory room sa Ravenclaw. Sa House of Ravenclaw, yung observatory room nila. Ayan. Mga shirt. Ang cute nito, si Dobby. Actually, marami may favorite kay Dobby eh. Magkano to? Wala nakasulat. Ang cute ng chest niya. Chest. Bakit ganun yung chest niya? Ano kakaiba?
2, 3, 4. You charm the heart right out of it. Don't you just like flying? And now
You know?
I understand the magic about you.
Okay.
I'm losing all control. My chest is running out. Inside you see myself. Happy as can be. Each other right out of me. Don't even
Meron silang binibentang ano dito, butter beer. So you can buy it here. And I think you can buy it somewhere too. Pero personally, hindi ako fan ng butter beer. So, hindi ako bibili. Hindi niya nakikita. Wala siyang nagagawa. Baka dapat doon siya. Doon siya kailangan tumayo. Oh. You're not a wizard. This is a clear sign that she's a muggle. She's not a wizard, she's a muggle. After 20 years, nagtatry pa rin siya. Tingnan natin. Wala, di ka wizard, friend. Ayan, nag-give up na siya. Tingnan natin to. Ang wizard sila. Let's see. Na-curious tuloy ako kung ano mangyayari yun. Ha? Baka sira yun. Sira yata yun. Ayaw gumana. Nandito ako ngayon sa candy shop ng Harry Potter. Parang masarap bumili ng chocolate frog. Milk chocolate shake frog. Magkano? Bakit walang presyo, ano? Walang presyo yung mga tinda nila. Oh, it's 14. 14 each. $14. But I'm not allowed. Actually, bawal sa akin ng chocolate. Dahil mataas ang cholesterol ko. I have a high cholesterol. I can't buy chocolate. So, we'll pass on chocolate for now. This is the famous, yung store ng magkapatid. Ayun na. The house of, ano nga ulit tawag? Ano kalimutan ko? And then the usual merchandise. Ang ganda ng Slytherin yun. Kulay green. Oh, meron din silang ano dito. Walis. $34. $34. Cute. Meron din silang ear. Paano tong ear? Extendable ear. Nagbebenta rin sila ng ano dito. 120. 120 each. Grabe, pahinga muna tayo. So, tumigil muna ako dito sa restaurant dito sa Harry Potter. And ito yung itsura ng restaurant sa loob. So para siya Three Broomstick. Reminds me of Three Broomstick. Ang ganda ng ambience sa loob. Eh. Here's my order. Fish and chips. Pritong isda, saka french fries. Let's eat. Let's go. Perfect. Sarap. Ano yun? Now we're awake. Grabe yung bilihan ng ano, ng wand. Ito yung bilihan ng wand, oh. Ang haba ng pila. Oh wow. Nasa loob na tayo ng ng Ollivander shop.
Alright everyone, our wand keeper is ready to see you. Just a few things before we do go back. Make sure those mobile devices such as cell phones are on silent. You can take many photos and videos, just make sure that the flash is off. And do remember that it's the wand that chooses the wizard, so there'll be only one person chosen for this demonstration. If you are ready, please keep your party together and you can follow me.
Oh wow. So many wands here.
Now, you can see, I'm going to have you back up just a tiny bit. And
382 BC. What is your name?
Henry,
Henry. Which is your wand arm, left or right? Very well. Stefan. We use only the finest elements at Ollivanders. You see, only a few particular types of wood are of wand quality. And you may know that every Ollivander wand has a core of a powerful magical substance. We choose long, nicely balanced, with a unicorn hair core. I know. Just light up the tip of the wand for me. Hold it up nice and high. Say Lumos. Get your jinx or a count. That is not the wand for you. Perhaps a poplar wand. Let me see. Ah. This one is 13 inches long. Unyielding, with a dragon heartstring core. Do you see the boxes up on the top shelves?
yeah.
I'd like you to pick one and levitate it into the air. Give your wand a swish and a flick and say Wingardium Leviosa. Definitely not. Reparo. Those of us who've studied wand lore have always known that the wand chooses the wizard. But it's not always clear why. Give it away. The wand learns from the wizard, and the wizard from the wand. Like this way.
Thank you, please.
Of course, you are all welcome to explore the entire collection of wands if you'll continue through the door. Thank you for selecting Ollivanders.
All right, right this way, everybody. Right this way.
That's amazing.
Now, if you wish to purchase this wand, or you can get another one, do so around the corner at our shop. You know, sorts of beautiful wands. Thank you for choosing Ollivander.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you for choosing Ollivander.
So finally, we can get our own wand. Kala ko pipilitin ako ni Kuya ang bumili ng wand eh. Pero ito na yung wand shop nila. Aba, totoo palang mga box to, ano? Oh, it's real. It is real, guys. This is some of the ones here that's on display. How much for each one? $70. So $70 for each one. So screenshot nyo na lang kung gusto nyo basahin. Parang maganda yung stick na... Ito ang magandang stick. This one. This one is nice too. And this one. Grabe ang cool ng ibang one. Lalo na pag Harry Potter fan ka. Ang cute ng ibang one. Just like they say, the wallet chooses the one. The thicker the wallet, the better the one. Lawas na tayo. Grabe, ang laki ng siya, no? Ang laki ng donuts. So massive. How much is the big pink? The big pink is $10.99. Oh. $10.99 for the big pink.
You do? You do? So you're friends with Shrek. Alright, Cupcake, we need a picture. Turn around. They want your face. Whatever your name is, turn around. Look at that weird guy. Say Waffles.
Nandito ako ngayon sa horror makeup show. Horror makeup show. So para siyang malaking cinema na may action play sa harapan. So yan ang itsura niya, guys. So hindi ko alam kung gaano ko ito katagal, pero tatry kong video lahat para mapanood nyo rin. For makeup show.
Right here face the audience on the trap door. Good. What is your name? Kenny? Genny? Genny, very nice to meet you. I'm Alex Genny. This is Mark.
Hi, nice to meet you. Yes, actually.
Wow! She really went for the Oscar.
Good, thank you.
Just don't fall
Don't
down.
fall again, that's what
Yeah,
I'm
because then the
you
blade
scared me.
will really be jiggy-jaggy.
Yeah, all right,
Yeah, there you go. Hold that up. So you don't get blood on it.
here. Yeah. Slithering. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. there's kids here.
You want me to cut a kid?
No. I want you to talk to the kids before you cut her.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Sure, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, just you can relax for a second.
Yeah.
Just talk to them like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I guess, yeah.
You just, just don't be weird.
Oh. Me? No, I'm not weird.
Just be normal.
I'm normal.
Like, just be like, okay.
Perfect. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, scream!
Whoa! Oh my gosh, you cut her! Is it supposed to do that? What do we do? Picture! Benny, does it hurt? It hurts?
Oh, no!
show you how I did this. Obviously, there's a cutout in the blade. You can see that now. You didn't see that a second ago because that was in the handle. See? All right. Ball with fake blood. Squeeze on the ball. Blood comes out of the tube behind the blade. Looks like it's creating a wound. Now I'm hanging onto the blade with my index finger. I have leverage so I can cut across her arm, but I only cut because I want to misdirect you. I don't want you to pay attention to that. That's all it is.
Yeah,
it's very
simple.
simple. It's Jessica, get her.
Overall, it's a good experience. That shows a good 30 minutes, and it just explains how they applied the prosthetics or yung makeup in the old 60s movies or 70s movies. Ngayon medyo puro digital na so yeah, there you go. So guys, tapos na yung pinanood kong palabas. So yung pinanood ko is Born Stuntacular, yun ang name. Yun siya, Born Stuntacular. So it's a story about Jason Bourne, and it's a live action stunt play which lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. Sobrang ganda niya kasi para siyang Waterworld pero nasa teatro kayo, nasa cinema kayo, tapos nakupo lang kayo, pero para kayong alam mo yung Shrek dun sa Singapore o yung Waterworld sa Singapore sa LA, para siyang ganun. So sobrang ganda nung special effects niya, and then yung background niya is malaking screen and sobrang linaw. I think it's like probably 16K or maybe 40K, I don't know. It was so clear na hindi mo na ma-distinguish kung ano yung totoo sa kung ano yung video talaga. So overall, it was a nice experience and I would recommend it. This time, magpa-picture naman tayo sa characters ng palabas na Sing. Next girl! Johnny! Oh, Johnny! Hey, do you mind if you just press this white button here? Yeah. Just one with Johnny. Cheese! Got it! Can I do one with Johnny too?
Sure. Got it.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Look, he's a diva, you know? Yeah. Nagpa-picture ako kay Johnny ng solo. Nagtampo yung character na baboy. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung pangalan niya. Saka mas fan ako ni Johnny, yung gorilla. Yun kasi yung boses kinakanta niya kasi yung mga kanta ni Shawn Mendes sa movie. Kaya medyo nagustuhan ko yung character niya. Anyway, let's move on. Nakakatuwa, ang daming characters na pwede ka magpa-picture. So nandun din yung mga characters sa Simpson. And si Scooby-Doo nandun din. So, and then kanina nakita ko si Shrek saka si Donkey from the movie Shrek. So it's nice. It's nice to kill some time taking pictures with them. Look at this, guys, the limited 2023-2024 collection. Oh wow. Look at this one. This one is...
Have a good one, guys. Have fun.
So this is battery operated or?
No, they are interactive through the chip at the top. No battery.
Oh, there's
You don't need a battery. It's just the chip, and if something happens to your chip, you can have it replaced at all of it.
I see. Okay. Even if I come like after 5 years or 6 years, they can always.
As long as the wand is in good shape, they will replace the chip.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, not
Okay.
the whole wand or anything, but the chip is like a lifetime.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Yeah, and Albus, of course, is quite popular from the Fantastic Beasts movie.
Oh, this is from.
Did you see it yet?
I've seen Fantastic Beasts. Yeah.
Remember when he was having the battle between him and Gellert?
Oh, Albus Dumbledore, you mean?
Yes.
Oh, this is. Oh,
That's
okay.
Albus, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Jude Law, you know. That was this one, and then of course we know what happened after that.
So what's the one for who's the other guy?
Geller?
Yeah,
You're gonna laugh.
he's the lead star, right?
Right.
The Fantastic Beasts.
Jude Law was in the second. He's the Dumbledore one. Geller was the one that Johnny Depp played the first two movies.
Oh yeah, okay, okay. So that's
The one with the
Dumbledore's
yeah.
lover, right?
That's exactly.
Yeah. Oh, so that's the
same exact one.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Because of course
oh, because it's
that's what he was battling
okay,
for.
yeah, the
Oh, we know who won.
Elder Swan,
But
right?
what's funny is
Yeah.
some people want the villain version. They do
Yeah.
not want Professor Dumbledore. So that's why they created Geller. So they have. So
Oh,
if you like Geller better, you can
Yeah.
but they're the exact same one,
yeah, I see.
which is interesting. But like I said, people love their villains.
Who was the guy who loves the beast? What's his name?
Oh, Newt. Newt
Newt,
Scamander.
yeah, Newt
he's got
Scamander.
a cool one because it's
Oh,
got
that's
it's really neat.
that's quite simple, eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
but the teeth marks. Remember, he always had it in his teeth, and when he was feeding the animals and doing.
Oh, I see. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
so he's got some cute detail.
I
So
see.
they're all characters.
Yeah.
The only ones that aren't, these are all 65.
Yeah.
The only ones that are $10 more are collectible annual ones, and they're behind you.
Which is this one? Okay.
75.
Okay.
Werewolf just came out 10 days ago. He's our 2000.
This one here?
That's correct. And the one from last year is,
That
I
one
think,
on the-
reminiscent of like, it looks like a Death Eater's mask almost.
Yeah.
And that's 2023. And they're both held behind the counter because they are collectible.
Yeah.
They come in a box with the silks on top. And
So yun in-explain niya na kung ano yung mga wand. So pakita ko yung mga iba't ibang itsura ng wand dito. So yun. Isa sa mga pinaka-cool ay ito. May pagka-snake siya. And then we have some nice here too, like this one. Right. Siyempre, pag bumili ka ng wand, bibili ka. Ah, laki nito. It's like... I don't wanna buy that. Anyway, yun ang wands. Nice. 75 bucks. So yun guys, so I'm back here in the entrance. I think it's time for me to wrap this adventure. So thank you guys sa pagsama. And unfortunately, uwi na tayo bukas. Pero papakita ko pa sa inyo. May mga gusto kong puntahan sa airport bukas. So papakita ko sa inyo bukas. Anyway, have fun. Enjoy guys. Take care. And see you around. Yo guys, I saw something really cool. Something interesting. I wonder kung anong nasa loob niya. Pasukin natin. Pasukin natin at tignan. Oh, para siyang dessert. So, yun yun. Parang gusto kong kumain ng dessert. Something unique. Let's try this. Oh, wow. That looks good. So this is made of chocolate. Wow. They're selling apothecary sweet. Apothecary sweet. Liquid candy. Alright. So, umorder tayo ng brownie milkshake. At ito ang itsura niya. So, it's $18. So, let's see. Up. Tamis. Matamis siya. So, I would recommend have it share with someone. Okay, papayos na kami. Bye-bye.
The next day.
Hey guys, so day 4 dito sa Orlando, Florida. It's my last day. and it's early in the morning, really good weather. I just finished walking 12 minutes from my hostel here to the bus stop. So I'm just waiting for my bus on the way to the airport. I'm 5 hours early, so nothing to worry about. Yeah, so ito ang bus station nila. So I'm waiting for bus 311. And meron akong gustong puntahan sa airport eh. So papakita ko sa inyo maya-maya bago ako mo. Yay! Nandito na yung bus natin. Wow, ang swerte ko guys. Libre ang ticket ngayong araw. So hindi ako pinagbayad ni Kuya. I get to save $2 and I can spend this somewhere else. Nice. As usual, medyo hindi masikip sa bus ngayon, maluwag. So parang private bus siya. Kitang-kita nyo naman, napakaluwag. At walang tao sa likod. So nasa taas na ako, umakit ako ng airport. So ang Terminal B ay narito. Sundan lang natin yung letter B na yun, para di kayo maligaw. Papunta sa Terminal B. Kasi nasa Terminal B ang flight ko. So I think I'm gonna take a bus. Ano, train pala yata dito, train. So yan ang loob. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Sa restaurants area nila. Ayan, so marami shops dito. So masarap umikot-ikot dito. At ito yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Kasi sikat to eh, sikat tong statue na to. At nakikita ko na siya mula rito actually. So yan, punta natin. So yan ang gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. So ang statue na yan, ang tawag dyan ay The Traveler ni Dwayne Hansen. Okay, so ano siya, statue siya ng taong natutulog. Nakatulog na sa airport. Ayun o. Sobra mukhang totoo. Grabe. Meron pa siyang mga sugat-sugat doon. No? May bag pa siya. Grabe, mukha ng totoo yung mukha niya. Grabe, nakatulog na siya, sobrang pagod. The Traveler. Yeah. So yan ang isa sa mga gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. So, The Traveler. Meron din silang Disney store dito at SeaWorld. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga mabibili dito. Ang kit naman nito. $12.99. Oh. Mura na siya. $12.99. This one's $12.99 too, I think. $12.99. Para masarap ipunin yung mga yun. Oh. Ito ay $12.99 din. Unfortunately, hindi ko na mapapakita yung pangalawang gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, which is yung NASA store. Kasi apparently, nag-close sila nung COVID. So, di na natin siya makikita. So, yun lang ang gusto ko ipakita dito sa airport. Maraming salamat. Salamat guys sa pagsama sa akin. At di nyo ako iniwang mag-isa. Hanggang sa uulitin. Salamat.